So it's been about 6 months since I did the big chop and got my first relaxer in about 13 years, right? So yesterday I got my second relaxer and got my ends clipped. So yeah, I'm doing relaxers like every 6 months, because even when I was getting a relaxer, I only got them about every 6 months. Look at my sides are growing beautifully. They were shaved or cut down. They were like here. And now we are here. The back is, of course, a little shorter. But anyway, that is not the point of this video at all. The point is today, and I ain't never have to worry about this when I was natural.